Hello everyone, I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to compare the camera features after the Realme UI 2.0 update versus the Realme UI 1.0 before the update. So we'll get to know what are the changes it did happen in the camera interface. So right now I'm using the Realme X1 Pro, which has been received the recent stable Android 11 update and which is using the Realme UI 2.0, as you can clearly see. And it is the Realme X2 Pro which has got the Realme UI 1.0, which is still using the Android 10 update and Realme UI 1.0, as you can clearly see here, friends. So let's compare before the update and after update, what are the things got changed and what are the things you need to know as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned, friends, and also do check the playlist for more details. In case if you want to know further details about the Realme UI, there is a separate playlist which I have created for this Realme UI 2.0 users only. So first, let me try to open the camera application in both the phones. So let's see what are the normal changes happened in the camera interface. So everything is, I think it's going to be same. So you can see the same type of camera icon, same options here, the same everything, as you can see even on the top. So you do have the AI mode especially installed in the Realme X1 Pro. So that's the one difference which I noticed here. So next, you do have the three lines, but instead of that you do have the settings icon. So that's another thing I did notice. So let me try to go to the camera. So in the camera application, flashlight stabilization, HDR mode, and I think these are night mode. So night mode video recording is also possible in the Realme X1 Pro. And next is, I think these are filters. So these are bokeh effect. So where the background will be blurred, you do have that kind of option in the before update as well. So these are before update here. So these are the settings. You do have the color filters where you can choose from, same kind of options. So there is nothing much difference. So next, let me try to go to the settings. So it is the settings options. What are the things you need to know before updating? I think there is nothing much major difference happened in the camera department. So first option, you do have the watermarking thing. And next, volume button, shutter button. So one extra option you do have is, I think watermark is also present in the previous mode here, as you can see here. So which is present over there as well. So watermarking is present and everything is kind of same. So there is nothing much major thing I observed. So video resolution is also kind of same options you will be getting in both the phones. There's nothing much difference even in this one as well. So 4K 60, everything is same. So nothing major difference, as you can see, friends. And slow motion video resolution, there is an option. And let me try to go to the more options. Let's see what are the settings you're having in the more options. So that is where I am expecting kind of more. So slow motion, time-lapse, movie mode. So movie mode is something different, and Pro Expert is same, panoramic. Text scanner is something different. Text scanner is also same. Ultra macro is also same. I think only one extra option which is called the movie mode is added to the Realme X1 Pro, as you can see here, friends. So this is one option you do have. So in the movie mode, I think you do get this kind of special interface where you can access all those things. As you can see, stabilization, and you can include the grid lock and everything, and wide angle lens you can record. So maybe you do get this kind of control everything about the autofocus and values. So this is another movie mode which you have in this Realme X1 Pro. So these are the few comparison, friends, regarding the camera. So for more information, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. So in terms of the camera, I did not observe much difference overall between both the versions. So in terms of the camera, a little bit kind of disappointed, friends. So nothing got updated from Realme UI 1.0 to the 2.0. So thank you for watching this video, friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.